Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove emoji from your picture without Photoshop. So here the application that we use to replace the Photoshop is the CapCut. So you just need to open the CapCut applications here. Wait until it's open. And the next, you just need to create a new project by step into this new project, and then you can just go add your photo that you want to edit. And here I already got a photo with this emoji that I wanted to remove, and then you just need to go tap add. Now we already got this point. Now we need to duplicate this clip. You just need to tap on the clip and then swipe this area into the left side until you got a duplicate, and then just tap into this duplicate and go make this duplicate clip become an overlay by tap into this overlay. And the next, you just need to make sure that the overlay clip could be the same position or duration with the main clip. The next, tap into the overlay clip again, and we need to find mask. You just need to slide this into the left side until you got mask here, and right after that just go tap into mask. And now we just need to find the shape that you want to use. I would like to use rectangle since the emoji is in a rectangle side. And then you just need to adjust in the size too, and make sure that you isolate the area that have a similar color with the background of the emoji is placed in, and then go tap into this checklist button. And the next, you just need to resize your overlay clip to be bigger, while you need to drag it to be on the top side of the emoji. And now you're done. So you just need to screenshot this result here. Perfect. And then you just need to edit by cropping it, and then you're done. Tap done, and then you just need to go click the save to photos, and you're done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.